is the inherent technology. So actually, these are outdated. Already, I told you many number of times with the students, those who are. This is the first time I'm taking the subject for you, but normally, if you take any curriculum from any engineering college or any university, that is not exactly market ready with the curriculum design is marketed, but SR, what we design the curriculum is you can directly enter into the market and you can get a job. That is the advantage, because you might have know this. You are staying with the college 3 years almost, the fourth year. So all the university people, Purdue University and other university people also joining with us and sharing the technology. So, but this is within the syllabus, so we have to learn this. Even the CRT is not available in the market right now, but we have to learn the things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. This is normal CRT monitor. You can come across with several things in this. So there is a the most common type of display screen on the technology is the same as a television screen, a cathode ray monitor. Okay, this is also old type of TV what you're having. So generally, an electron gun which is converted to whatever the AC current we are giving, that will be generate some electrons. So it will be focusing on, normally this beam focusing unit, generally we are calling it as picture tube. So some part of this portion is we are calling it as a picture tube. Okay, now it will be scattered in such a way. Normally you can observe the same kind of technology in the torchlight, you know, torchlight which will scatter like this only. Okay, um, these are the two plates which will deflect the ray which is produced from the electron gun. And yesterday I told you I will mail the textbooks, but the problem is that is huge. So it is not coming. So I try to do it in the drive. Otherwise, any one of you, can you come who are nearby? Um, I'll share you in the pen drive. Okay? Are you
Okay,
listening?
sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm staying in Hassanburg. Right. The standard output device of a CAD monitor display among the available technologies, the CRT is the most dominating and has produced a wide range of extremely effective graphics display. Why we are calling this as a among all the available technologies, CRT is the best is normally you can check last 5 years. It has been technology has been changed a lot. That means LCD, LED, sorry, plasma, LCD, LED, like that. Within a short span of time, it has been changed. Now you can observe in 1980s also same kind of
Your voice is breaking, sir.
2010 also we are used. I mean recently 4 years, 2 years, 3 years back we changed the monitors in the college. So that means it has long life. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Probably there is a network issue. So the electron gun generates the electrons. The focusing unit focus the electron into beam. The deflection system controls X and Y. The horizontal and vertical positions of the graphics information through the display control, which is typically sits between the computer and CRT. This is the stroke CRT display two types, stroke writing and raster scan. So in this random scan, raster scan, two types will be there. In the random scan, screen is not scanned in the particular order. Raster scan, the screen is scanned from the left to right and top to bottom all the times generates the graphics.
స్కాన్ దేనికోసం సార్ ఈ ర్యాండమ్ స్కాన్ రాస్టర్ స్కాన్
That is in technology in the CRT. What image has to be displayed in the screen.
ఎస్ సార్
We have multiple screen options in the TV, right?
సార్ ఎస్ సార్ హలో
సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతాను సార్.
సారే మ్యూట్లో ఉన్నాడు నాయన.
At a time, 2 or 3, right? So that is suppose if you select only one, it will give you only one picture. I mean, if you want to share the screen with somebody, so we can check the at least visual share the screen. That is the due to this random scan, raster scan only it will happen.
ఓకే సార్.
This is the random scan. This is the raster scan. You observe the difference? How the rays are going on. Random means on their own it will go. If you give a raster scan, it will go in a particular direction only.
ప్యారలల్ మూమెంట్.
So technologies this is not required for you. Yesterday we discussed about the refresh display, no? So normally we will do refresh in the screen, no? So that refresh is done by this particular flowchart. So just you observe this CPU, display processor and all. Finally it is going into the CRT. So this is the structure of it. So if any, it has some memory. So all the time it won't give you a good result. If you check with the flow chart for the refresh display. Normally we will do some refresh by right clicking the mouse. You can get the refresh. So every time if you refresh, then you will get a good. I mean, there is no disturbance in the picture. Suppose normally if you use for 1 month or so, there are some temporary files stored in the CPU. So due to that, system gets slow. So that means that how you know that system gets slow. If you open a picture, it will slowly open. So that means that there will be some problem in the display. So that every time all these temporary files and browsing data should be removed. These are normally stored in the RAM. Okay. This is another direct view storage tube. And this is color raster display. Normally you will get all these colors. No, I told you the graphic card. The graphic card internally, normally in olden days, computers not having having this graphic card. This graphic card is available in inbuilt nowadays, and inbuilt to the motherboard. So that's why I told you, whenever you buy a laptop or desktop, please contact me. What are the things should be there? Because if any problem are there, then it is difficult for us, because normally if you spend for 50 or 60,000 for laptop, then it will be no use for you, means it is waste of money. So that's why this is nothing but color raster display and liquid crystal display. This is liquid crystal displays use small flat chips which change their transparency properties when voltage is applied. LCD elements are arranged in X-ray called LCD matrix. Level of voltage controls gray levels, and this is the technology in this. Normally, these are the different types of um, elements are used to create this LCD. Uh, this is nothing but some filters. Okay, so transforming one image. What is the
Excuse me,
image
sir.
you are getting? So all these are joining. When you open this TV, you can visualize all because normally these are made with some very small thickness. Normally, it is showing in the diagram. It is some thickness. In real time, it won't be like that.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah.
సార్ సిఆర్టీ ఇన్ని అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉన్నాక మరి అప్గ్రేడేషన్ ఎల్సిడిస్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏముంది సార్?
Suppose you want to use this CRT in your home, it takes more space. Okay, so normally if you fix a wall-mounted TV is available or wall-mounted screen is available, which one you prefer
వాల్
as
మౌంటెడ్
a
సార్.
consumer? That is the reason. So outdated means outdated technology means normally your parents also say something. So like old is good. Okay, that means that their life is the product life is very effectively. That means if you go to in your own villages, so their TVs will be same. Old TVs still running. Even at my home at Hyderabad, so they are using same old TV only. This CRT kind of TV. Almost 15 years. 15, not only 15 years, 25 years. In 1995, Sharp is the TV name. So still we are using it. So that means that if we want to normally our parents and all, they will not upgrade the thing, upgrade for the things. It is running means running. Okay, what is the use of it? We know we don't have touch and all. We will not we will not feel comfortable. The TV don't have remote. Still they are using it. That is the reason. Even you told that I'll prefer wall mounted. Why you prefer a wall mounted means it takes less space. Generally, wall mounted means all the aesthetics of the room will be something good. So that is the reason customers will change their things. If you observe your phone itself, when you 4 5 years back, this touch screen is not available. Now,
Yes, sir.
if a company produces a keypad phone, will you buy?
No, sir.
No. That is the answer for you. Okay, Vishwanath.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. The LCD resolution is often quoted as a number of RGB of color of elements, not number of RGB traits. So generally R means red, green, blue. If example 320 horizontal by 240 vertical elements. So if you observe the pixel size in the normally go to display settings in your desktop or laptop or any other thing, just you observe all these things. These the pixels. So 10 yesterday I told you. Just adjusting it 1024 and by 728 is the normal naked eye human naked eye can see this comfortably. If anybody having any eye problems and all, they can use check with the VGR or XVGR, video graphic display. The passive LCD screens and active LCD screens. There is nothing to worry about that because we don't want about LCD fully. Just what are the screens are available. Now this is flat advantages is flat, lightweight, low power consumption. Okay, this is also one of the part. Normally CRT give you more power consumption. If you observe any CRT monitor backside, lots of heat will be generated. Any our CAD CAM lab is the best example. Might have you sit for a longer time in the training session recently or any laboratory session. Will you observe?
Yes, sir.
Did you observe, Vishwanath? After running up for 2 hours of lab, normally if you come out from the lab, you feel better. That means that lot of heat will be generating.
Yes,
So
sir.
normally any computer institute or any computer lab or something, generally equipped with the ACs. All the equipment is in heat condition, their life of the equipment will be loose. So that's why due to this only they will use the LCD or LEDs. Okay, transparent thin film. This is normally used for photo display. Anybody who came from US and all, they will generally give the gifts for you. These kind of things. Did you observe? Normally, USB drive will be there on the bottom side. So then you can insert some download some photographs to it. Automatically, it will give some display. Hard copy devices, graphical printers, plotters, photographic devices. You can print out information that is in the computer onto paper. By printing, you create what you have, what you known as a hard copy. There are different kinds of printers which vary their speed and print quality. The two main types of printer are impact and non-impact. So yesterday we discussed about the hard copy and soft copy. No need to explain one more time. Simply you want any storage or anything you want to share the information on paper or any other material to be printed. So that is nothing but the hard copy. Whatever the 3D printing is also nothing but you can call it as a hard copy. Simply you can say that that is a technology which is used for the prototyping. What is the meaning of prototype?
Is miniature product for a display and experiment.
Demonstration product.
Exactly, it replicas to the original one. Exactly, it is replica to the original one, but it will produce only in the smaller size, miniature size. Functions and all will give you the same. If you go to any automobile company or automobile showrooms and all, you go to just you whenever lockdown open and everything is fine, just go to any workshops, not workshops, any showrooms. Just you go to any manager. Suppose if you go to Maruti, so they will on the table they will have this their products with a miniature kind of thing. So they will same Gypsy and Desire, Activa, all the cars are available on the table. So those are nothing but the whenever they are going to original manufacture, they will do this manufacturing. How this look like? They will do all the things. So this is nothing but the prototype. Once the prototype is there, generally these prototypes are available in the mobile phones. You can check with the mobile shops. When you go to any mobile shop, they will not allow you to check the mobile original mobile which you buy first. Am I right?
It's a
Yes,
display
sir.
piece.
Yeah, they will give you only box. They will give you only box. Okay. But I want to show. I want to see how it look like. Means they will give you some dummy piece.
So
Am I right?
display
They will give you some dummy piece. Okay. So that is nothing but the prototyping. There are different technologies for doing the prototyping, but the best is 3D printing. 3D printing is available in metal also nowadays. By normally we'll give two materials. One is one is used as a supporter. Other one is used as a our product. Supporter means suppose any support is there inside, so it will give you support. Otherwise, it will print as it is. So these nowadays liquid material is also there. Liquid just dipping into the product. Our CAD model is there. So if that CAD model is created in this, and we are send into the format of STL format. What is the meaning of STL format? Yesterday I told you some formats. Step file, IGS file, like that. STL is also one format. What is STL? We should, anyone take the attendance? What is STL format?
Standard tessellation language.
Huh?
Stereolithography, standard tessellation language.
Lithography is the correct answer. See, that is the file name which is input for the 3D printer, any 3D printer. Only STL files. Some are using, but STL is a very comfortable file, and you can do print of any object. Okay, so those are the hard copy, and there are different kinds of printers. I told you, know. So we'll see those printers. What is this type of printer? Actually, I told this. It is also mentioned in the PPT. What is the type of printer? What is the type of printer?
Back printer.
Impact.
Dot matrix. Dot matrix. Normally, if you go to any bank, yesterday I told you, no, same kind of environment will be there. This paper will be printed on things, and which is very lesser cost, because in the bank everybody, suppose you go to bank and your father asks that get me a printout from SBI. You go to bank and ask for almost 2 3 months, it will give you 10 or 12 pages for one customer. 10 or 12 pages, it is waste of money for the bank. So that's why they will use only dot matrix, and which is very lesser cost. Okay, this is also dot matrix. Yesterday I told you, know, daisy wheel printer. This kind of arrangement, typewriter, typing.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
In the typewriter, if you press one key, suppose A, if you press, automatically there is one alpha. It is showing one box, no? So those are coming out, and it will print A. Next B, like that it will print. So similarly, it is nothing but one of the type of printer, but it is not in use now. These are laser print, inkjet printer, and we are using laser and maximum. Inkjet is the you observe the Canon ad recently observed. 10 paisa, 12 paisa for giving. I mean, take the print cost. Okay. Normally, if you go to any outside Xerox center or something, so they will take the printing will be 2 rupee per paper. Am I right? 2 rupee or 1.5 rupee. If a large amount of papers are there, 1 rupee they will take. So these inkjet printers are even though in less printing cost, but it will they have I mean, it will if it won't use for 1 month or so. This ink will be vanished. I mean, it will be solidified. So that's why inkjet printers are not suggestible for commercial for home use. Laser printer is only best. It won't affect the. Generally, this laser printer has the cartridge in the powder form. It won't be solidified. It will be as it is. But the inkjet printer, ink means it is in liquid form. So that is the reason why inkjet printers are, if not used regularly, it will be solidified, and it won't work. Now I'm facing the same problem at my home. So during the lockdown, we are not used that properly, so automatically ink is vanished. So I have to refill it again. This is normal laser printer. Normally, this year laser printers are equipped with the Xerox machine and as well as the scan. You know that. Inkjet printers. Braille. What is Braille printer? Hello.
నార్మల్లీ బ్లైండ్ పీపుల్ కి
Yes.
కొంచెం ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ రేజ్
What is the
ఉంటాయి.
should know all these things, no? So whenever you see any blind person, so they will identify the things by touching itself. Braille is the person who is also generated many things for the blind people. So when you uh, observe this language, they will give you a set of papers to you. That means those set of papers is having first alphabets. Because one of my friend was blind, so I saw some of the Braille equipment there. That card is having a alphabet A, but it is engraved on the alphabet. Normally, if you write a on paper, if you touch it, is there any difference in this paper? No, it won't be. There is no impression on the paper. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Normally, Braille cards will be, if you touch it, they will check this alphabet by touching it, how it will be. So, by sensing itself, by sensing will be through brain only. So, by touching will be, whatever the touch sensor will be there, so the sense to the brain. So, this is alphabet A. So, in this, it will, so this is one type of printer. Plotters. Plotters, should I told you, just whenever you have time, you go to the locations, Shiva Xerox or Hari Radium. Plotters are used to produce the high quality precision graphics, usually on the large sheets of paper. I told you, know, so you just go to any website which is just to mention that machine drawing of a particular machine. Just you go to any website. So if you go to the drawing paper will be a room size. So that much bigger size cannot be possible in our normal printer. So for this case, we will use the plotters. They are very slow. This is because it has to print entire sheet, na? But it can draw continuous colors, often variety of colors. It, you saw this. నేనేమంటాం కదమ్మా మనం ఫ్లెక్సీస్ చేస్తాం చూడండి ఫ్లెక్సీ దీస్ ఫ్లెక్సీస్ ఆల్సో use the plotter. So generally those are print very slow. They are especially useful for architectural drawing, building plans, and computer design applications where precision drawing is required. చెప్పాను కదా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక పెద్ద అపార్ట్మెంట్ వెనెవర్ యూ గో టు ఎనీ సివిల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఎ బిగ్ డ్రాయింగ్ విల్ బి దేర్ engineer will come that the drawing will call it as a blueprint. So based on the blueprint only, who is the machine there and the supervisor will be there, they will according to the drawing only they will construct. If generally engineer will not come to you every time, monthly once monthly twice or like that they will come. That's why they will give you the drawing. If any difficulty facing by the people, and they will call a particular person and they will clarify the doubts. So that's why if a small drawing, that much a big construction in a small A4 size paper, what they will see that there is nothing to see in there because all are collide. That much big paper is required. So then generally those building drawings or any machinery drawings are usually in the A0 size. A mechanical arm holds a pen which can be moved across the page. Just to print it, it will do like this. You might have seen this in number plate. Once you give the number plate value, whatever the TS03, ES9729 is the input you are given. One plate will, one pen will be there, so it will be cut into required shape, the radium. Similarly, in the plotting also. These are the plotters. This is the device which is print. This is one of the plotter. You might have seen this. There is you may have doubt, sir. This is very much small in size, but large paper how it can be print. You can see this in this side. There is a roller. See my cursor. All of you observing?
Yes, sir.
And this paper, all the sheet will be rolled onto it, and other side, once it is printed, other side same roller will be, it will catch it. Okay, how much it will unwound from this roll, same will be on other side, it will be wounded after printed. Similarly, all these flexes, big flexes, everything will be done on the same fashion. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yep. This is a drum. Sound output. This is we discussed yesterday. Computer synthesized voice and music output is now well established using a speaker as an output device. Sound cards need to be installed microcomputers to obtain the good quality of sound for music, software, games. A simple speaker will be make a range of sounds, both computer generated and the speaker. What is the necessity of speakers for a CAD and CAM system? Can anybody? Manivannan, Vishwanath, Sunnai, Rahul, Anurag.
Sir, no idea about that.
Okay. Normally, I told you know, so any CNC machine equipped with the sound output, any command you want to give orally. Suppose you no need to reach the machine, just you give the sound input. Please start. So automatically it will start. Okay, that kind
So
of
like
new
Alexa.
technology is there. Yes, it works as Alexa. You go to SRM once when we go to college. I'll show you some of the advanced CNC machines which is available in the SRX, and wholeheartedly you say thanks to our management because they are working a lot. Because even I don't think so. NIT also those machines are not available. Okay, so the emission cost is around 20-25 lakhs. Three machines are there. Okay, all are automated. Just you switch on it. Just give the proper input, proper code. Just switch on it. It will give you output. That's it. That much, which is inbuilt. I told you know. So there will be lot of heat will be generated while it is running. Even though if you hold your hand, rub your hand to other hand, it will give some heat. It will generate some heat. Am I right? Similarly, if any product is beaten by another product, both products are getting heated due to the friction between those, and there will be some temperature differences in the that particular comp. Similarly, some other metal is hard metal is cutting the soft metal. That means tool should be harder than the workpiece. Am I right? Tool should be stronger than the workpiece.
Sir.
Sir, which type of machine is there, sir? In our laboratory, in our floor, sir, in the CAD/CAM laboratory, it is also a CNC machine only, no, sir?
CNC machine, there are three types of machine. One is available in the lab. Our lab is only
Yes,
there is
sir,
a study purpose.
CAD/CAM.
Only-
Okay, sir.
It's only demo. Only for demo, which is available in the SRX is we can do the commercialize. We can do commercial works also on that. which will run 24/7, which will be equipped with the internal AC. That machine is once other side we have AC also. Automatically, once the machine is on, AC will also on. Okay, and entire thing is completely computerized, which is having touch panel also. No CPU, no CPU connection also not required. In our CAD/CAM lab, we have separate system will be there. We have to give the input through USB, na.
Yes, sir.
But in the SRX building, you have that incubation center. So in that incubation, these CNC machines are fully equipped with the touch pad. Touch panel is there. Just you touch it, automatically you will give the input. All the CPU and everything will be inbuilt, including AC.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you visit the, college started and physically, then I'll show you all the things. I'll take the time from the one of the and those also not operated by us. Okay, then again, trained person is only can be authenticate person, because it is very difficult for us if any mistake was happened. For repairing that machine, the person who has to come from Chennai. Nobody is available in Warangal or Hyderabad. MTAP Chennai people has to come. So recently our lab, that CNC machine also will get repaired. That is also not possible with the local people, and we come across with the this MTAB website, and then we put a complaint. They came and they can resolve the problem, and okay. So that's why proper technical knowledge should be there to operate CNC machines. Okay. Next one is we'll complete this fast. Okay. Voice response robot and control system. The output of the computer may be in the form of signal to a hardware device. Okay. A
Excuse
control
me,
system
sir.
and sensor.
Sir, you said that CNC machine doesn't need any system type of, but part programming input from where you are giving programming input.
Part programming.
Input we have to give for the machine, no sir.
Input we have to give to the machine. Through code.
From where?
Through code. There will be did you observe CNC machine in our lab, CAD/CAM lab?
Sir?
In our CAD/CAM lab, did you observe the CNC machine which is in red color?
Yes,
last
sir. Yes,
corner.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Beside to that, one computer is there.
Okay, sir.
That is preferably for that CNC machine only. We had to give the code through the computer. You had to attach some USB. You copy code from the Mastercam software, something like that, and, or you can write your own code. Just you give the input to that particular the CNC having one icon will be there. Okay, MTAB icon. So you have to click on that, and you have to paste that code to that particular computer. Automatically, once you start in the computer, then it will start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now in control, normally this robot will be output in the form of signal to the hardware device. So we are giving some signal to robot. So this is nothing but similarly we are using CNC. We are giving some command. It will give you output. If you tell some of you went for a robo club, na? So hand raise means it will give voice sense, and automatically it will raise. Okay, pick and drop robots. So these are nothing but our regular thing. This is not required. Storage device. These are the different storage devices. Normally, we'll come across with all these storage devices several times, but only the problem is if those are broken, then all the device will be, all the device data will be get into problem. That's why a new technology came into picture. That is nothing but clouds. Are you heard about the cloud technology, cloud computing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Google
Uh,
Photos and
um,
call computer.
in our mobile also, all the data will be, even though your mobile and somewhere it lost, your data cannot be used by anybody unless if your mail is hacked. Okay, all these things are available in the cloud. Is it clear to all of you? So this is the basics and introduction about the CAD hardware and software system and introduction to CAD CAM. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Manivannan, did you send the agreements for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, let's meet in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow at 10:30 we'll meet. I'll share today books if not possible. So please, any one of you, please come to me and with the pen drive and I'll load it in the pen drive. Manivannan, I told you to create group.
Today I will, sir.
Today, you communicate with the B section with Vishwanath and Rahul. Any numbers are there, so